just click here on sign up free to get a free trial for 30 days. So you're going to get a trial that will allow you to work with Getresponse for 30 days and you'll get access to all the features. And after that, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. So fill in all these details and then click on create account. So as for the password, make sure it's a strong password, and a strong password will have at least 8 characters, mix letters and numbers, mix lower and uppercase, and you can use special characters. So an example of a strong password would be something like this. You can see this password has a capital letter, it has a number, and it has special characters. So you can use something like this and it will be a strong password. Of course, don't use this, use a different one, and just think in these lines. Like for this one, for the letter A, you can use a number, and A looks like 4. So just think in these lines and you're going to get yourself a strong password, okay? So once you fill in all the details, just click on create account. Okay, that's not the end of it. You still need to go to your email and confirm your email address. So just log into your Gmail account or whichever email you used, and then you can click activate my account. So go ahead and fill in all these details, and once you're done, just click on take me to my account. So fill in all this information and click on take me to my account. So if you want to upgrade now, you can go ahead and upgrade your plan right now, but you don't want to do that, so I'll just close that. And you can take a tour